How's it going, everyone? Electron Man. Well, we got a Watch Day Friday review today. Actually caught a lightning sale on Amazon and picked up a new watch this week. Kind of excited about it to add to my collection. Anyway, here it is. We're going to do a box opening and a review on it. Let's go ahead and get the initial box open here. Box in a box, right? Okay, there's the box. From the color, I bet you some of you already know what it is. If you don't, it's an Invicta. That's right. One of my favorite brands. I like Invicta, I like Fossil, Elise. There's several of them. But anyway, there's what she looks like in the box. Brand new with tag and paperwork. Go ahead and paperwork's inside here if you were wondering where that's at. And there's the balloon holder. And let's go ahead and get the watch out of its package here. Not quite Rolex type packing, but still pretty elegant. I like that they do protect the watch. As you can see though, and I'm able to use my hand a little better here. I'm down to just a lump on my upper forearm, which is they said a torn tendon or ligament that hopefully will heal itself. So hopefully I can start getting some more videos out now. Getting some freedom in the hand is really nice. That cast is about ready to drive me nuts. But there's the initial opening. Took the plastic off there. Some type of poly band. There's Invicta. This is an Invicta Speciality collection, which is really cool. I like getting collection watches. That means it's more than likely a limited production. Not sure how limited it is, but it's not just an everyday. I bought it because I thought it was just unique looking. I guess you'd call it a dive watch, but it's really cool. I love the gold and blue. I'll go ahead and give you another view that way. Nothing too fancy as far as it's not. You know, it's just it's got a analog watch with a moving second hand. It does have the numbers on the outside so that you can do, you know, dive times, or it's more of a timer watch than I'd say more definitely a diver watch than like a chronograph. But anyway, let's go ahead and do the specs on her. It's a nice size. It's got a pretty good weight to it. We'll get it exact on here. Get it zeroed out there. $105 grams. So yeah, middle of the road. I think I have one like 186. I think is my heaviest, and I've of course got a lot in the 40s. But not a light watch, but not a heavy. 100 grams. I lifted the tag so it wasn't weighing it, but right around 100 and 105 grams. Let me go ahead and take that tag off there while I'm at it. I want to save that in the box. I like saving all that. You know, that makes it more. There we go. Now we'll get a true. Of course, now I can't see it. 105, 104.41, 105 grams. And the faceplate on her is. Sure, it's zeroed out. This is a 45 millimeter. And the actual crystal looks like it's a 35, like a 35. Nice size watch. Actually, about exact perfect size watch I like to wear. In fact, this is one of my sport rounds that I wear all the time. Is this Timex, and as you can tell, if you compare the two, that's just like the size watch I like to wear. And I really like especially in the summertime. I really like the rubber bands or poly bands, whatever you want to call them. But anyway, let me go ahead and put it on my wrist, and we'll get a first view. And just hopefully I'm getting get you a real good. It's a pretty watch, I think. That gold and silver and blue. And it was actually the time was correct out of the box, which is cool. That's kind of unusual. Usually they're not, but Plenty of links in the band for me, which is good because I have a rather fat wrist anyway. So there you go. Check that out. I'm gonna turn that off. I think that might be giving it a reflection. There's how she looks on the wrist. I think that's an eye catcher. Not real flashy, not overstating, but stating that you're a watch guy type watch. Anyway, glad to be back doing Watch Day Fridays, and I'm probably going to start doing some radio repairs next week. So look forward to some new videos coming out in that genre of my channel as well. Have a great day. This is Electron Man, and please take a chance to like and subscribe.